and I'm sure this conference will be useful to ease this implementation. It's a significant step forward in the digitalization of financial information of European issuers. The introduction of the new reporting format in 2020 will make financial statements more accessible and more easily comparable for investors across the European Union, supporting transparency and contributing to increase investor protection. I'm going to focus these introductory remarks on two main topics. First, I would like to briefly summarize the requirements of the ESEF and elaborate on the benefits of the introduction of this new format. And second, I will briefly introduce the main topic of this conference, the ESEF Conformance Suite. On the requirements, as you may know, the ESEF delegated regulation requires that all financial annual reports are prepared in HTML, the language in which web pages are commonly created. Additionally, when annual financial reports contain IFRS consolidated financial statements, issuers shall mark up them. Issuers shall mark up at least the minimum disclosures specified in the ESEF delegated regulation. This is numbers disclosed in the primary financial statements, in addition to used set disclosures such as the name of the reporting entity, the address, the legal form, or the principal place of business. For these markups, issuers shall use the core taxonomy element having the closest accounting meaning. If the closest taxonomy element misrepresents the accounting meaning of the disclosure, issuers shall create the so-called extension taxonomy element. Extensions allow issuers to tag information which is unique to a company and can therefore not be found in the core taxonomy. All issuers may mark up all parts of the financial reports other than IFRS consolidated financial statements, including the separate financial statements, if they use XBRL markup language and a taxonomy specific to those parts is provided by the member states. Regarding the benefits of the introduction of the ESEF, I would say that the new form issuers, supervisors, and users. ESEF aims to facilitate access, analysis, and comparability of financial statements and make reporting easier. This eventually serves to support investors in their investment decision. Among other benefits, the ESEF incorporates, among the benefits ESEF incorporates, I would highlight two. First, enhanced capacity for data analysis and cost savings by offering the possibility of automatically treating the financial information included in the annual financial reports. And second, increased transparency and comparability of financial information in markets, which may ease the access to capital markets by issuers. Let me focus now on the specific theme of this conference, the ESEF Conformance Suite, published by ESMA last month to facilitate implementation of the ESEF regulation. Anna Shortino, Policy Officer at ESMA, jointly with Mikhail Zubricki, Technical Consultant, will present the ESEF Conformance Suite. The ESEF Conformance Suite is aimed primarily at a technical audience, that is XBRL software developers, as a way to test and provide assurance on whether software tools are able to create and consume filings which are in line with all ESEF requirements, In particular, Conformance Suite permits to determine if software is able to detect a flag infringements to the ESEF requirements contained in a filing. It is useful for issuers because they may assure whether the tool for preparation in their filings comply with ESEF requirements. In the case of national competent authorities, it will allow testing if the XBRL software issuers have developed internally or purchased is able to detect all infringements to the ESEF requirement when used to check an issuer's submission. During this conference, there will be also an analysis of the ESEF evaluation rules and the ESEF reporting manual. These are documents produced by ESMA to assist issuers and software vendors in creating inline XBRL documents compliant with the RTS on ESEF. Lastly, there will be a rapid-fire session on different available ESEF tools moderated by Elena Koskenato. To conclude, I would like to emphasize that the implementation of the ESEF does not only mean complying with legal requirements defined in the Transparency Directive. I insist that we have to bear in mind all the benefits that this new format can generate for entities and users of financial information. Now, I would like to introduce Alan Deckers, Head of Corporate Reporting, Audit and Credit Rating Agencies, Unit at DG FISMA from the European Commission. I have had the chance to work with Alan at different stages of our professional career in topics related to corporate reporting and audit, and I'm fully convinced his speech will be of utmost importance for the audience. Thank you very much again for your attention, and I hope you find the remaining presentations and tables. Thank you. Good morning.